Hello friends in object-oriented programming. This is a second concept which is called polymorphism. So what is a polymorphism? So polymorphism is like it's divided into parts. So poly means many and morphism means form. If we combine, it's like a many form. So how exactly that's going to work? So basically there's two things inside the polymorphism. One is method overloading and second is method overriding. So what is a method overloading? So in this video, we're going to see as a method overloading. So method overloading happen in a same class. However, method overriding happen in different class. Okay. So method overloading happen in a same class and we're going to use a different method, but however, the method name would be the same. So how going to exactly different? So basically, let's say in a last example, I use one method name is add and I pass a 2 parameter. So let's say if user want to enter not 2 but 3 parameter, then how they going to use? So basically we're going to see the practical and we will have some more knowledge. So let me create one method in it, and so my method name would be, I'm going to say public void add. I'm going to pass int I and int k, int result equal to I plus k, and I'm going to print it out. System.out.println result. I'm going to use a different method and I'm going to use the same name as a method name. So now it's giving me error because I have a same method name. If I change my method name, then error will be gone, but I want to make as a same, and you can see that error. I get again the error. So I'm going to use one more parameter. So int k, and I would say int j, and error is gone. So that's what it is, method overloading. So let's say if user enter only two number like 5 and 10, then it will hit this method even though the method name is same. So that's the reason we use a different parameter, so it's like more argument inside. So let me create an object. So I would say method overloading m equal to method ol m, I forget a new, m dot add. L is capital. So so as you can see, I have the same name of the method. So now that's going to be confused. So I'm going to let's say 10 and 12. So if I pass two argument, so what does it mean? Like I only pass two, so that will hit the first one because it has only two parameter, right? So let me print out. So I'm going to run. And it will be printing soon, and here you can see 22. Okay, so let me add one more. I'm going to add one more. See, so now I have three argument, so that will hit this one because it has a 3 parameter inside, and you can see the result. Okay, so I have to do plus j here also. because I'm only adding the first two, that's the reason. Okay, sorry about that. So now 32, right? So that's how you're going to use a method overloading. So same method name with a different a parameter. Okay, so even with the same parameter, what I can do, if I use a string, still I can use the same thing. Okay, so that's the method overloading. In next video we're going to see method overriding. Okay, so once again recap, method overloading happen in the same class, same method name. Okay, so it's the same method name but with a different parameter. And if we specify over here, so that won't confuse. So if we pass a two parameter, two argument, then it hit the void this method, and which has a two parameter in it. If we pass the three argument, it will hit this method because it has a three parameter in it. Okay, so I hope that clear some of your doubt. And in next video we're going to see method over riding. And hope you like my video. If you like, please share, subscribe, and we will see you next video. Until then, bye bye.